Now we came into another topic, set, which is also important data structure. Set is a data structure which is also called collection of items, in which we can represent a group of unique value as a single entity. No duplicate values are allowed in set. In set, we can add and remove elements, but we cannot change the elements. Syntax: set name item 1, item 2, item n. Note: we write the item of the set inside the curly braces. Insertion order is not preserved. If we write the item like 1, 2, 3, this means insertion order is not preserved, means while we print the set, we does not found element like 1, 2, 3. We can found random elements. These elements are not written in position wise. So insertion order is not preserved in case of set. Indexing and slicing not work in case of set. Heterogeneous elements are allowed in set. Set is mutable, that is we can add remove elements of set in nature. Now without any delay we can do the live practical of set in the coding environments. Let's move toward this. Today we are doing the practical of set. For that, first we create a new Python file like set 1.py. Py is the extension of the Python. Now we have created the Python file. Now we have we want to create an empty set. Our first task. Set 1. We have created empty set. Now we want to check the type of this set. Is this set or not? Like print type of set 1. Here, while running this program, see output is set. Now we have successfully created the empty set. Again, we create a set containing certain element like set 1. We created set like 10 comma Vinod comma 46.7 comma true. True is here boolean value. Now we want to print the value of the set like print set 1 here. The value is printed in unordered way because set is orderless here. We have value like 10 below 46.7 and true. Here the value is printed as true 10.1 like this. So that's why insertion order is not preserved in case of set. Now we want to add certain thing in set. Like first we do set 1 dot add function. Add, we want to add puja here. Now after printing the set, print set 1. Here puja is added inside the set. See, while running this program, see here puja is randomly added in between the set elements. Now we want to update the current set by adding items from another set here. We want to use update method in set. For this I created another set 2. Here it contain 2 comma 6.7 comma 8 here. Now I want to update set 1 with set 2. Now I use function update set 1 dot update with values of set 2 here. I updated set 1 after printing set 1 here. The output is here. See, the value is updated here. 2, 6.7 and 8 is also added in the set. Now I want to remove an element from a set. For this, I use pop methods here, where here set 1 is our set dot pop. This pop removes random item from a set and return popped value. Here print, we printed the popped value also. Now we print set 1 here. The popped value is true. Means this pop randomly removes true and printed the set here. True is removed. Again, we use remove methods like set 1 dot remove. We have to pass a particular value here that we want to remove. I want to remove Binod here. Now it takes one argument to remove and return error if value is not present in set. Here print set 1 here. Here value is removed. If I want to remove the value that is not present in this set, I want to remove Lakshmi here, which is not present in set. So this remove will show an error here, like key error, because Lakshmi is not present here, na? That's why it is showing error. If we use discard method here, discard method, discard, it takes one value to remove but does not return if any error if value is not present. Does not return any error if value is not present here. See, Lakshmi is not present here. Again, it is printing the same set without showing any error. If we remove another element like 46.5 here, it is removed. See here, 46.7 here. We want to remove this. Now the value is removed here. Only true 10 and Vinod is present. The main difference between remove and the discard is that if we want to remove the value that is not present in set, it will show error message with the help of remove. If we use the discard and remove the value that is not present in the set, it will not show any error. Now we want to clear the set here by using clear function like set 1 dot clear. We want to clear like here. After that print set 1 here. Here all the set is cleared. The empty set is present printed here. Now I want to perform union, intersection and a difference, also the symmetric difference in set here. Now I want to create another set named set2 which contain elements like 10, Vinod, 46.5, false, 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 India, India. Here we have two set. Now I want to perform a union operation in these two sets. After performing the union operation, it returns all the elements that is present in either set, in set and in set 2, both sets. Here all the elements. Now we perform union operation here. Print uh, our set is set 1 dot union, here set 2. We have performed a union here. Now print we have printed as well as union. Now while printing this here, all the elements present in set 1 and set 2 are printed, but the common element are ignored here because we are performing union operation. That's why here false, true, 10, 46.7, 45.6, India and Vinod is here printed. After that, we want to perform intersection operation. This will return common elements present in both sets. Now, intersect intersection operation. See, after running this program, it will return 10 Vinod and 46 point. Here we use 46.7 here. After that, see the output here. It returns only the common elements. Now I want to perform a difference here, difference operations, which difference of two set. Now I use here difference here. After that, here difference of these two set is printed here. See, true. Only one difference is true here. Set this difference is set 1 minus set 2. 10 is present in set 2, Vinod is present in set 2, and 46.7 is also present in set 2. Only true is not present in set 2, that's why true is here presented. We have performed a difference operation. After that, I want to perform a symmetric difference here. For that, I use a function like symmetric as symmetric difference here. This will print the unique value present on both sets. But in case of difference, we are differentiating set 1 with we are differentiating set 2 with set 1. That's why only true is present here. In case of symmetric difference, all the unique value present in both set are printed. Here common values in both set are ignored. Only true, false and India are unique. That's why these are printed here. See, after running this program, here the value that are unique, these value are printed here. If you want to see the video of list, click on the I button showing above. That's all for set. If you like this video, please circulate this video with your classmate and with the juniors. The aim of this channel is to complete 1K subscriber. After achieving this milestone, I will provide all the notes related to engineering in my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. The link is given in description box and in the about section of my YouTube channel. Thank you.